Next feature is data abstraction. What is meant by the data abstraction? Data abstraction, it is nothing but refer to act of representing essential features without including background detail of explanation. That is called as a data abstraction. If any point or any data or function we can be used in program without explaining its background detail, it is also called as data abstraction. That is, data abstraction is act of representing essential feature without declaring or without explaining its background detail. That is called as a data abstraction. The best example of a data abstraction is class. In a class, number of variables or data and number of functions we can be used without explaining its background detail. If we need any function, we easily add. If we need any data members, we also add any variable or any data member without explaining its background detail. That is a data abstraction. And next one, data encapsulation. Encapsulation, it is nothing but create a capsule of perform the hide facility on a data members. In a data encapsulation, packing of data and function into a single component. In a class, the way of binding data and function together. In a data encapsulation, it is a packing of data and function into a single component. It is called as a data encapsulation or creating one capsule in which we can be bind data and function into a single component. That is called as a data encapsulation. Number of time or the data encapsulation, it is nothing but data hiding. Data can be hide from a external use. That is also called as a data encapsulation or data hiding. Number of time, in a board examination, the question is also asked on a data hiding. Data hiding, it is nothing but the data can be hide from a external use. That is private section. In a class point, we can be discussed. This is the point. In a private section, if we declared any variable, it can be hide from a external use. So data hiding can be performed. Number of time, data encapsulation, it is nothing but a data hiding. Data can be hide from a external use in a private data section or in a private section in a class. The variables and function which we can be declare, it is hide from a external use. That is a concept related to the OOP. In a board examination, in this point, the number of times the question can be asked. Explain any four concept related to the OOP or explain concept related to the OOP and there is given the points. Class, data abstraction, data encapsulation as well as a inheritance. Okay.